Welcome to the Kids Co Studio.
Little Aliza shining bright, with a heart so pure and true. She remembers Allah each day, in everything she'll do. Her little cat beside her, happy as can be. Together thanking Allah for every blessing they see. Subhanallah, mashallah, Aliza sings, her little cat sings too. Allah's mercy fills their hearts with light so pure and new.
Bismillah.
Morning comes with Bismillah, Aliza softly says. Her little cat comes close to her, purring all the way. Flowers bloom, the sky so blue, beauty everywhere. Allahu Akbar, they whisper, Allah's love is there. Prophet line insert, Aliza smiles and softly says, our Prophet loved cats too. Prophet Muhammad showed kindness in all he'd ever do. Her little cat feels safe and warm, curled upon her arm, following his sunnah, gently spreading love and calm. Subhanallah, mashallah, Aliza sings, her little cat sings too. Allah's mercy fills their hearts with light so pure and new. Subhanallah, mashallah, Aliza sings, her little cat sings too.